My mom was diagnosed, and it literally flipped our world upside down. I honestly didn't believe it. I thought it was a mistake at first. I was like, oh, they must have gotten it wrong. What are the odds that this would happen to my family?
Glioblastoma occurs in the brain tissue itself. It strikes randomly.
It's one of the most aggressive cancers there is.
I didn't know what it was until my father got it. You don't have the luxury to try all these things because the cancer advances so quickly.
There's been one drug for brain cancer in 30 years, which is totally unacceptable. Dr. Nader and I developed a new process of phase 0 clinical trials that created the Ivy Brain Tumor Center.
Phase 0 trials are a new strategy for developing drugs for brain cancer. If there's a promising drug, we're going to test it in patients very quickly.
You know if a therapy is working in 7 to 10 days.
We not only know the drug works, but we know in whom it works. And if it's not, well, then we pivot on a scale of time that means something to them.
The data from these clinical trials is what is going to move us closer towards a cure, and that translates to real hope for the patient.
They're about treating patients, and they're about treating those patients on an aggressive timeline, because once they can start figuring out solutions, then you can start helping a lot of people.
We call this an incurable disease, but there's always exceptions. And I'm here to make everybody that exception.